Hello everyone and welcome back on my YouTube channel. I received many questions under my YouTube videos about my setup and which car I'm using. But today I've decided to make a different video that's related to how to train to become, let's say, a better RC rally driver. Keep in mind that I don't consider myself an expert. I started to play with in this game 3 years ago. Starting completely from zero. In 2021, the year in which I started, I was able to finish the rallies around 15th position, sometimes 10, and it was a big success for me. Then in 2022, I was able to get my first podiums, and in this year, 2023, while I'm filming this video, I won 2 rallies, and I'm fighting for the championship in the city in which I live. Talking about let's say this tutorial video about how to train, we are going to divide it in 3 parts. The first one that is more theoretical, and the other 2 parts I'm going to show you 2 exercises that I usually do in order to train. Talking about the theoretical part, it's very important to learn with your eyes. What I mean, when you go to an event, it's very important to observe the faster drivers and to learn from their driving style and from how their car behaves. Other than that, I want to suggest you to go to talk to the people. Make a lot of questions. I'm quite sure that where you play, there are some people with a lot of experience that are very prone to share it with you. So, observe the faster drivers and go and making questions. It's very important to become, let's say, a better RC rally driver. Okay, I've just prepared the course for the first exercise, and now I'm going to explain you how I'm going to train. In RC rally, as you can imagine, is almost impossible to remember each corner, and also to always look forward, one corner away of us. So sometimes it can happen that in the last moment we see, let's say, a turn right, turn left, or an obstacle, and we need to be fast thinking in order to, let's say, avoid an obstacle or do a turn in the best possible way. So this training is organized in a way that I put the cones in a completely random way, and I'm going to pass with my car without having a planned course. I'm going to almost improvise each turn. In this way, I'm going, let's say, to train my fast thinking, being more responsive while driving. Okay, let's start this training. I'm going to show you how I do it so you can replicate it. Okay, as you can see, I'm almost improvising each corner, and I'm deciding where I'm going with my car in the last moment, trying to be as clean as possible. It's of course okay to hit the cones. It's okay if they change their position, because this is going to, let's say, change the layout of our course. Now I'm going to show you the second exercise that is more about being smooth and learning how your car handles. Because if you drive your car in a casual way, let's say it's quite hard to replicate each time the same corner, or each time the same braking, each time the same acceleration, let's say exiting a corner. So I created a track that I'm going to do multiple times, and this training it's about being smooth and learning the behavior of the car. That's why I'm holding here my radio control, because as I said, it's everything about being smooth with your radio control and with your RC car. Okay, I think that's all. Before ending the video, I want to share with you the best tip, that the best training is to take part in RC rally races. Other than that, thank you for watching. Leave a like in order to support my channel, and share with me your opinion about this training, or maybe some other ideas in the comment section. See you next week. Ciao!